Judge KP George's recent political party switch is causing a stir among voters. Fort Bend County's top official made that announcement today that he is no longer a Democrat and is joining the Republican Party. KPRC2's Coralie Peele spoke with voters.
There were mixed emotions about Judge KP George's political party switch, but majority of the people we spoke with say they still have a hard time supporting him, regardless of which political party he's affiliated with, because of his criminal investigations. The news about Fort Bend County Judge KP George switching from Democrat to Republican has voters paying attention.
Honestly, it makes a lot of sense based off of his political leanings and the values that he focuses on.
I don't know if maybe it's a rebrand or what, but he's, I guess, trying something new. So it's not completely surprising. Politicians have done it before.
It seems like a little bit of an act of desperation. I think the Democratic Party kind of turned on him, and so he's going to try to do the Republican side. I don't think it's going to work. KP George says he's switching parties because his beliefs align more with Republican values. He adds the Democratic Party and Democrat district attorney have targeted him.
I came to this country as an adult, and I am not born and raised neither Republican nor Democrat. And I choose a side, and it turned out to be the wrong place, and I'm fixing it. And that's what I'm doing today. And I want you to know that.
In April, KPRC2 was there as George turned himself into the Fort Bend County Jail on felony money laundering charges. George is also facing a misdemeanor charge involving his former chief of staff, Taral Patel, and the social media hoax case. Patel pleaded guilty in that misrepresentation of identity case and also admitted in court records that he committed a criminal offense with George. Democrat Commissioner Dexter McCoy feels KP George's time is up.
It's unfortunate because bottom line, no politician is above the law. And I think what we saw today is the county judge's efforts, his latest efforts at trying to escape prosecution for the serious crimes he's accused of. And he's seeking solace in the party that happens to be in control of the state right now.
Do you still think he's fit to be the judge here in Fort Bend County?
Not particularly, just based off of the information that's come out recently. And, I know people who never really liked him to begin with.
I don't trust him at all. And I think the excuse is he tries to place the blame somewhere else, where I think he just made some really poor choices.
I think to an extent. I wouldn't say fully, given what happened, but, you got to give people a second chance sometimes.
Republicans now have a 3-2 advantage in Commissioner's Court. We did get a statement from the Fort Bend County Republicans. They said time will tell if KP George's party switch is a true change of heart. We have their full statement on our website at click2houston.com. Coralie Peele, KPRC 2 News.